My name is Ennio and this is Don't Be a Statistic. 4 to 5 Canadians are financially illiterate, and I'm making one video at a time to change that, as well as wearing my jacket in the office now because my heater in the office is broken. Today we're going to be talking about the most important part of a mortgage transaction, and that is the mortgage product. It's also very convoluted, so I've broken it down into 5 different little subtopics I'll be talking on in this video, and that is pricing, qualifying, privileges, penalties, and other. So let's get into it. Pricing. Pricing includes your interest rate, your term length, as well as your amortization period. And with those 3 things, it will determine your mortgage payment and how much of your mortgage payment is going to principal and how much is going towards interest. Okay? So that is pricing. Interest rate, term length, and amortization. Qualifying. I've talked about qualifying quite a bit in my video qualifying for a mortgage. So you guys know that it's pretty related to A lending, B lending, and private lending. Like each type of lending has their own way to qualify, but it is also really specific to the mortgage product. So let me talk about the different ways. You guys know about the 2-year income average that most A lenders use, as well as the having guaranteed hours and being on your job for 3 months, but you can also qualify using stated income, showing your bank statements with deposits from your income on there. You can also qualify based on your net worth, no income at all. You can also qualify based on how much equity you have in a property, no income as well. So there's lots of really versatile ways to qualify someone for a mortgage, and yeah, that comes with different mortgage products. So that's qualifying. The next one is privileges. One of 2 major things that I look at when I'm choosing a mortgage product for a client. It's huge to me. Privileges and penalties, 2 of the biggest determining factors. Anyway, when I say privileges, I'm referring to prepayment privileges. And that is exactly what it sounds like. It gives you the ability to prepay your mortgage. So instead of paying it off in 25 years, depending on how flexible your mortgage product is, you can pay it off in maybe 5 years. Okay? So you want to look for a flexible mortgage product, because if you want to and have the ability to pay down your mortgage faster, you want to be able to and not be limited to just paying your monthly payments and doing that for 25 years. So that is privileges. Penalties, another huge determining factor for me, because 70% of people will break their mortgage before the end of their term. Whether you think you will or you don't think you will, there's a 70% chance you will. So you want to know that that penalty is going to be low, okay? A lot of people see interest rate as being the most important thing, but I think it's penalties, because when you want to break your mortgage to get into a better mortgage product, lower interest rate, or to pull out equity, you could be looking at a difference of like choosing a product with a penalty calculated at about $1,200 to $1,500 compared to a mortgage product where the penalty is going to be $15,000 to $20,000. So that's why it's a huge factor for me. And the others I like to think of just like specialty mortgage products, things like construction products, things like purchase plus improvements where you're buying a home and calculating the renovations you're going to put on it. A lot of products have really good rental things where you can just maximize the rental income for qualifying. You can also do things like a fusion product where it's got a home equity line of credit in the mortgage with a fixed rate mortgage with a home equity line of credit. So a mortgage product is kind of like a Build-A-Bear, okay? There's every kind of Build-A-Bear, dog ears, dragon feet, dolphin arms out there, but it's still a Build-A-Bear. There's an endless amount of mortgage products out there for all kinds of different situations, but at the end of the day, it's a mortgage product. You need to know kind of like the biggest things within the mortgage product. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and catch you in the next one.